una dey hear me well. I say, your belly don't full. If your belly never full, then why you dey sleep? Na true talk, wake up, we must go back to the source. The Allah, no be joke, oh. My brother, my sister, make we reason this thing. We dey buy everything, we dey import everything. We dey buy foreign rice, foreign tomato from another man. Wetin happen to the Eastern Heartland? We chase the Bentley, we chase the big house, but the food on the table, they come from another mouse. Hungry man, they tell you now. But we get the soil, we get the rain, so wetin we dey do anyhow? Foreign eyes, they look us, see they laugh or folly. One let us check ourselves, this shame must stop totally. Afamfuna, they wait for us, but we dey form busy. We must go back to the farm, no be waiting, they make person crazy. We want chop, telebele boss, telebele boss, telly boss, belly boss. Now waiting we want, we go return to the Allah. Ayoku, no more hunger, I say belly boss, now waiting we want. Belly boss, now waiting we want. We go return to the Allah. Ayoku, we go harvest the ziriri. Ayoku, no more hunger, I say belly boss, now waiting we want. I go remind you about the days of glory. Ask your grandfather, make una hear the story. Dr. Michael Okpara, him hold the government will. That time food na free pass, you know they make person kneel. The radio they sing, the TV they shout for town. Chop chicken, chop egg. Our food they abundant down. Chicken no get visa, egg no need passport. It dey flow for market like river. No be that kind of sport where we dey play now with inflation. Price don't choke. That time everybody they smile, their cheeks they shine. Now that kind of farmful now we they see, it is divine. One day, make we pick up the old lady work begin, my son. We want chop, telebele boss, belly boss, now it's who we want. We go return to the Allah. Ayoku, no more hunger, I say belly boss, now it's who we want. Belly boss, now it's who we want. We go return to the Allah. Ayoku, we go harvest the ziri. Ayoku, all money come, we blind all alright. We forget the farm, we just won't fly high. Everybody na investor, everybody na big shot. But the food basket for house, it dey empty, it dey rot. Then when inflation rise, we dey knock for rich man door. See me see walao, the wala too deep. Foreign goods prices, them they make us to weep. Our children they hungry, them they shout, Papa, Mama, we must use this Allah to solve the whole drama.
Una see say I dey laugh, na serious laugh I dey laugh. If you chop the food from your Allah, your blood go strong like stone. The government say make them listen, oh, no be every time import. Because when the belly full, the brain go calm down. Be a guy back to the beat.
Chop. When they make we want chop, telebele boss, belly boss, now it's who we want. We go return to the Allah. Ayoku, no more hunger, I say belly boss, now it's who we want. Belly boss, now it's who we want.